if you look at pandemics, for example, then you see a very close relationship between destruction of environment and emergence from pandemic. There are only few factors which lead to zoonotic diseases, essentially diseases which spill over from animals to humans. And one of the fundamental reasons for zoonotics historically have been the destruction of environment, the destruction of ecosystems. For example, it is generally believed that many of the zoonotic diseases, including Zika, Nipah, West Nile disease, Rift Valley disease, these all are regional zoonotic diseases, have happened because of animals and human coming in contact with each other because of deforestation. Now, there are other reasons why zoonotics also happen, and one of the fundamental reasons is the practice of eating exotic animals. Now, COVID-19, for example, is linked with eating of exotic animals. And then the third factor for zoonotic is when we start producing animal food in a very intensive manner by pumping antibiotics and other things. For example, swine flu is linked to intensive pig farms. Now, in all three factors are related to destruction of environment or our intervention in the ecosystem. On this Environment Day, it is important to recognize how important it is to protect the ecosystem, to protect ourselves. And if we are not able to do this, I'm afraid that COVID-19 is not going to be the last pandemic that humanity is going to face. In fact, in 20 years of 21st century, we have had 3 pandemics, whereas we had just one major pandemic in 19th century. So the frequency of pandemics are increasing. And it is important that we recognize it. And therefore, the decade of ecosystem restoration, which is the theme of this year's Environment Day, is very, very important.